If your faucet handle slips when you try to turn it, you can fix it without calling a plumber and wasting cash. So first up, check if the handle feels loose or just spins without turning the water on. If it's loose, grab a screwdriver and tighten the screw under the handle. Sometimes it's hiding under a little cap you can pop off. If tightening doesn't help, the handle might be stripped or worn out, so swapping it for a new one is your best bet. Before you replace it, turn off the water supply to avoid getting soaked. Trust me, nobody wants that mess. When you buy a new handle, bring the old one to the store to make sure you get the right fit, because handles can be tricky with different models. Also, while you're at it, check the cartridge or valve stem inside, because if that's busted, a new handle won't fix your problem. If you notice any corrosion or buildup, clean it gently with vinegar or a soft brush before putting everything back together. Lastly, after fixing it, test the handle a few times to make sure it's smooth and not slipping anymore. One of the biggest issues people face with a slipping faucet handle is ignoring the loose screw. If you don't tighten it, the handle won't grip properly and keep spinning. A quick fix is just tightening that screw regularly. Another common problem is using the wrong replacement handle, which doesn't fit snugly. Double-checking compatibility at the store prevents this headache. The third mistake is not checking for worn-out internal parts like cartridges or valve stems, which can cause the same slipping issue. Swapping those out along with the handle solves the root problem. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors easily, making home fixes way less stressful. It also gives contractors a platform to connect with people looking for their skills, so everyone wins.